The introduction of this lightweight, no-compromise adventure model has re-established Yamaha's leading position in the adventure segment. Put simply, this is the most exciting and most significant new adventure model to be launched for many years. Equipped with Yamaha's successful 270-degree 689cc parallel twin engine and a completely new chassis, Tenere 700 is designed to deliver class-leading handling and agility in the dirt, combined with high speed and long distance performance on the road, making it an extremely capable and versatile adventure bike.